YouTube, welcome back. Dub Digital Crypto News, Macro Trends. Give me subscribe if you appreciate that content. I'm trying to give you the hottest crypto content on the internet. What? Where's my DGB click? DGB click, assemble. Cause it's been way too long since I gave you guys an update. But don't trip, y'all. We're gonna fix that right here and right now, because since my last update on Digibyte, that price, it's been doing something crazy. A little up, a little down. But you guys are veterans. I know you guys know, ain't that the way of the crypto? 2021, it's the year of the crypto. But not to fear, y'all, because we're gonna get all into it. We're gonna take a look at the price action, cut it up a little bit. But after that TA, we're gonna get all up into the FA, because here at the Dub Digital channel, you know we get the TA and the FA and we mix it all up. And we're gonna get all up into that too. Because to be frank, y'all, and please don't call me Frank, I really don't think the market's pricing this stuff in, let alone most people don't even know about it. But let's be real, guys, that's why you follow this channel. I be breaking it down. But you know what? I'm getting ahead of myself. Let's pull up the chart. Here we go, guys. I'm sitting on the DGB USD pair. Let's get it. So real quick, guys, I really don't want to get into old stuff too much, but let's do it. In order to understand where a coin's going, you gotta understand where it's been. And the first thing I like to do when analyzing a macro structure is draw a bottom trend line, that bread and butter. By this point, within the circle right here, that was March of 2020, and that's when Digibyte went rock bottom. Almost about exactly a year ago, Digibyte was way lower than it is now. Right now, we're sitting at about 6 cents. Back over here, when oil went negative, stocks started falling, Bitcoin went down from 10,000 to 3,600 bucks. Digibyte happened to hit its lowest point at about 1/10 of a cent. That's nasty. That's crazy. That's enough to make someone want to sleep on the couch and drink vodka for dinner. But heck, who am I talking to? I know some of you guys was drinking vodka for dinner. Sometimes I be dipping my cookies in vodka. But that's enough, guys. Let me get back to the point. So just looking at this thing from a long-term view, and since that point, almost exactly 1 year has elapsed, and Digibyte has risen up from that point about 2,452%. But Dub Digital, it don't matter, bro. Who cares about a 6-cent coin? Don't get caught up with how much money your crypto can buy. Think about how much your crypto can multiply. So by drawing this bottom trend line, it makes it much easier to graphically see the change in the trend. Since 2018, 2019, the trend had been down for DGB. Since that point in May of 2020, it's been up. But let me show you guys a little something. And just by adding one more line, guys, we have ourselves a parallel channel. Digibyte was trading within a 3-cent trading range, taking a little breather, a little rest, priming up for its next leg higher for almost 1 entire year, guys. That's a long time to pick up some 3 to 4 cent DGB. But Dub Digital, you don't get it. I was scared, bro. I didn't know if DGB was gonna fall down to its death. That's an age-old problem in investing. No one said investing wasn't scary. Right around February of 2020, DGB started taking off to the sky, and it flew up about 200%. Since February of 2021, Digibyte gave back a little bit, because what, guys? Hard up, hard down. Every action has an equal and opposite reaction. And ultimately, at the lowest point of its wick, Digibyte gave up about 40%. But Dub Digital, Digibyte sucks, because I bought it up here and now I got less money and it sucks. That's exactly why I tell you to buy low to sell high. But y'all, it ain't all bad news. And Digibyte's been around for like 7 years. It's been up a lot and it's been down a lot. And I don't think this little crash right here is gonna kill it. But let me go ahead and jump into the daily and show y'all. Because when we zoom up here, guys, DGB exploded up with the force of 1,000 suns and almost sat directly on top of the previous trading range at about 4.5 cents. But notice how this thing bounced up off this. We got some W action happening right here. One low, two low. The second low being higher than the last. Because that's essentially telling us that there's people waiting on the bottom of this thing to lap it up. Assets go up and assets go down. Sometimes they go way up and sometimes they go way down. But it's all different sides of the same coin. Price progression is sequential. You take 2 steps forward, 1 step back. I don't know, guys, 200+%, 40%. I know which one's bigger, but I ain't gonna tell y'all. You gotta figure that one out on your own. But I can see some of you guys are still skeptical. Let me help you out. Let's go ahead and apply the Fibonacci retracement tool on this sucker to see just how far it fell. And just as I expected, Digibyte's price came right back down here in the 61.8 Fibonacci level, aka the golden pocket. And that's where people started buying it back up. But it's extremely typical to buy back into assets at the golden pocket. Based off of that risk and reward ratio, makes it worth it. But let's go ahead and get that fib tool out of the way, because I got something else to show y'all. Because we're so early off of this correction, it's kind of hard to draw in the top trend line. But it's obvious that this structure right here is forming a triangle. So whether the breakout of this move occurs on the 16th of March or more towards the end of March, the message is still the same. Digibyte should be moving higher, not financial advice. Let's just do a measured move. Within the next 2 weeks or so, I'm looking at Digibyte hitting somewhere around 12 to 15 cents. What's up, digital? Digibyte ain't going back to 12 to 15 cents. I heard on Reddit people are saying that bull run's gonna end in 2 months. How do you know Digibyte ain't gonna die a horrible death on the bathroom floor, bro? Guys, I heard the same thing too. But let me do you a solid. Let's go ahead and address that right now. Right here, I pulled up the total 2 index, aka the altcoin market cap, meaning all the money wrapped up in all your favorite altcoins. During the last 2017 cycle, the altcoin market cap hit about $469 billion. Went through a bear market. Everyone said Bitcoin, altcoins are gonna die. And we all know that didn't happen, because if it was gonna die, wouldn't it have been down on here on this floor? Yeah, I think it would. We're in price discovery for altcoin market cap. Instead, altcoins doing this, it's much more likely that the altcoin market cap does something like this. But guys, I'm getting tired of this TA. Let's get into the FA, because this is the Dub Digital channel. You know we get the TA and the FA and we mix it all up. That fundamental analysis, because those closer to the knowledge profit. Simple as that. Check it out, guys. RenBridge 2 release. If y'all ain't familiar with RenVM, which in layman terms helps you take one digital asset and make it compatible to use on another blockchain. And up to this point, RenBridge 2 only accommodated Bitcoin, Bitcoin Cash, Zcash, and Dogecoin to be used on Ethereum and the Binance Smart Chain. Dub Digital, why would I want to do that? I'm pretty sure y'all are sitting on some digital assets. Some of it's just sitting in your crypto wallet anyway. Yeah, whatever, Dub Digital. That's all cool for Zcash, Dogecoin, Bitcoin, and Bitcoin Cash. I don't know if you got the memo, but this is a Digibyte video. I know that. Guys, can I finish? The remaining assets will be added to the RenBridge 2 UI over the coming months, and they are RenLuna and RenDGB. The price rising up for your DGB ain't enough? Want to get some yield on top of it? If you guys have been eyeing some DeFi platforms over on Binance Smart Chain or Ethereum, now it's possible. But guys, that piece of news was just a little some. This next one gets me really hyped. In 2021, use Brave browser in combination with AntumID and MyDigiPassword. This combination is extremely powerful for protecting your privacy. Dub Digital, I thought this was a Digibyte video. What the hell's an AntumID? I was waiting for you to ask that question. Let's check it out.
Hello, let's try entering a password. Doesn't work? Oh well, let's try again. Okay, no need to get angry. I have a solution for you. Introducing MyDigiPassword by AntumID. MyDigiPassword logs you into websites by verifying your identity with the help of DigiID, and then generates a password with the help of AntumID. Get your browser extension, then scan the QR code using AntumID app. Say goodbye to memorizing passwords and welcome the blockchain technology, powered by Digibyte blockchain. You can manage all your logins and never have to worry about compromising your credentials ever again. MyDigiPassword autofills your credentials and logs you in automatically. Start to use now MyDigiPassword by AntumID and powered by Digibyte blockchain.
AntumID is pretty much a decentralized password manager and two-factor authentication platform that pretty much makes it almost impossible to get hacked. Tired of getting hit with keyloggers? Hackers taking all your passwords? Getting all up in your business? Thanks to AntumID and thanks to the Digibyte blockchain, that is a thing of the past. And now we got real integration with real browsers. Any of you guys use Brave browser? I know I do. And if you don't, no problem. Hot news, status update. Google approved now, mydigipassword.com. You can now use the MyDigiPassword 2.0 in the latest Chrome. But Dub Digital, I don't even use Brave or Google Chrome. For all you Firefox hipsters out there, check it out. Firefox has approved the extension. MyDigiPassword 2.0 plugin is now on GA for Firefox desktop for Windows, Linux, and Apple. Boom. I'm coming with that fire today, y'all. Microsoft approved mydigipassword.com. You can now use MyDigiPassword 2.0 in the latest Microsoft Edge. Guys, the writing's on the wall. These big applications, integrating MyDigiPassword onto them. Not only is it good technology, not not only is it decentralized and makes password managers getting hacked a thing of the past, but it's actually practical to use now because it's getting integrated into a lot of popular applications. And as time goes on, that list is only going to get bigger and bigger. Just look at the world right now, the state of things. Privacy is getting more and more important, and people are starting to get hip to just how important digital privacy and digital security is. With more of our actual lives being conducted across and over the internet, internet security services are going to get more and more popular, but decentralized internet security protocols, now that's what's going to be popping. Alright guys, just want to bring you an update on DGB because I looked at the clock and I said it's been way too long, but the moral of the story is this: while we gave back a little of that price action, that's to be expected. 200% up, 40% down. The price got caught right at the golden pocket. That Digibyte, it's not throwing in the towel yet. Far from it. We got the integration of DGB into the RenVM 2 bridge, which is going to allow you to use your Digibyte funds to participate in Ethereum and Binance Smart Chain based DeFi protocols. But what's got me really juiced up is the actual integration of AntumID, a decentralized password manager and two-factor authentication protocol running on the Digibyte blockchain, and it's getting integrated into some big applications like Brave browser, Google Chrome, like Firefox, and Microsoft Edge. Because as time moves on and decentralized online security comes to the forefront, guess who's going to be sitting there waiting for all that attention? Guess who's sitting there just waiting to be used? Yeah, that's right, because Digibyte is a sleeping giant, and while the broader market hasn't recognized that yet, trust me, they will. But hey, y'all ain't gotta listen to me. This is not financial advice. I'm just a dude on the internet. If you appreciate the content, give me a like, comment, subscribe, dub digital, crypto news, macro trends. I'll talk to y'all later. Peace.